call y'all Tropic Mommies and Poppies because y'all be watching my stuff. And my name is Mommy is Tropic, so y'all is Tropic Mommies and Tropic Poppies. Alright, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a tester type of video. Super excited, okay? Because this weekend last weekend I went to this store called Farm & Mills. They be having cheap stuff and I'm just like, ooh, I seen this thing at the corner of my eyes and I'm like, I need to get it. I seen this box at a fart. Let me close it and be more appealing.
Like a real YouTuber.
It was $14.99. I am gonna show you guys from start to finish a detailed tutorial on how I use this. This is so cool. It's not sponsored. Clearly, I paid for it with my own money, my $15. Before I start, I just want to let you know this is Yolissa hair. This is their 5x5 transparent closure wig. It's a 24-inch and it is 200% density, so it's thick, okay? I'm gonna have all the links in my description box so you guys can check them out. Let's jump right into this video. Thank you everybody that's always supporting me, following me, liking my stuff. I appreciate y'all for being patient with me, and this is giving me a vibe, okay? All right, you guys, don't forget to visit Tropic Touches. I will have the links down below so you guys can get your head wraps, your bonnets, your butters, and oils. So I'm just going to take that off, and I'm going to start off by putting my hair growth oil all over my hair and scalp. This is the bottle. Make sure you shop today. I'm putting it all over my scalp, and this is going to help stimulate my hair growth. Then I'm going to rub it in, press it in, rub it in, massage it in, whatever you need to do, girl. Do that because we need to keep our edges. Then I'm going to put on my nice brown wig cap. You know I love a brown wig cap. You can use a nude as well, but I like using this brown one because of my skin tone. And this is how the wig looks. I had already previously installed this wig on my mother, but today I'm going to put it on myself. I did not clean it off or anything, so digress. The wig is looking crazy, okay? I needed to pluck it a little bit more. I needed to do a lot of things to it. So this is how it's looking. I tried pulling it back and everything. So just take a good look at it and we're going to transform this wig. First, I'm going to start off by hot combing this hair. So I'm parting it in different little sections so I can get this wig as flat as possible. This is very important. So try to do this as neat as possible, as flat as possible. And I'm going to go in with some of my Erickaj wax stick, and I'm going to put that at the top. This is going to help to tame the flyaways and further silky out the hair. Comb that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to pluck out some of these edges. Keep in mind, we're still going to go back in and pluck this, but you want to give it a guide. So try plucking it and make sure you're paying attention to detail when you're plucking, that you're not plucking too much in one spot. And then I pluck going back because this is going to give you a very thick hairline if you don't pluck going back. Make sure you do this. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side using the hot comb and repeating the steps that I did on that side. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and part this hair down the middle, trying to do it straight as possible. My comb is crooked because for some reason I washed it in the washing machine. But yeah, so try to get it as flat as possible and then go in with your hot comb again and flatten that out. And then we're just going to pluck back and forth. Make sure it's as natural as possible for your liking because we're going to come back in again and pluck this once we're done. So this is how it's looking. I'm using my Taylor Crowns lace tint in medium to tint my lace. I did not use foundation today just because I feel like this gave it more of a natural look. And I did go ahead and blow dry this on cool air. I trimmed down the edges a little bit. And make sure that you're going up and down with the scissors just to give it more of a jagged edge and not too of a blunt cut. Because blunt cut edges be looking mad fake, so don't do that. I'm going in with my Afro G styling foam, styling mousse. You can use your Erickaj styling mousse. I like that one. It smells so freaking good. And I'm just going to put a whole bunch at the front of the hair and start swooping these edges. This is a glueless install, so this is very important that you get this right. I'm using an edges brush just to swoop that because it's giving it very detailed type of swoop. And as you can see, I'm sculpting it on, I'm doing 3 separate sculpts. 1 at the middle and 2 at the sides. Take your time with this as well. You can always go back in and add some more mousse. I like that this is glueless because you don't have to worry about any glue lifting up if you didn't apply it properly. I'm going to tie this down with my Chop It Touches headscarf. The link is going to be in my description box so you guys can get one today. And I'm going to fix up my part with some old mascara. You can also use some black hair dye, but I like old mascara because it's a quick fix. Make sure you spray this with your hairspray just to bulletproof that. And I'm using my concealer to fix up that line. That's my LA Girl concealer in Fawn. And then I removed the head wrap and I just sprayed a little bit of my Got To Be Insta Hole. And I'm going to tie that back down just so it can make it be bulletproof. Guys, so after putting on my mousse and everything like that, all I did was blend my lace with my skin using my Got To Be Insta Hole. Y'all know this is my favorite hairspray at the moment. So I just used that to blend my lace. So I'm just going to take off my head wrap. Make sure you shop my head wrap. They're a limited edition. Well, actually I have limited stock. Let me say they're not really limited edition. I'm not sure if I'm gonna restock it because I had it last year and then it sold out and then I restocked it. So I got some still available so you guys can shop them. I will have the links down below. This is how it looks. It's a little bit dirty because I did my makeup, so let's see how it looks. This is how my hair is looking. I like doing it with the mousse because it makes it look way natural. I will say that the wig is a little bit lumpy right here, and this is the wig. This is not my braid, so I don't know what's going on right here. I tried to make it as flat as I could, but I couldn't make up there too flat. So okay, and to blend it out, all I'm gonna do is focus in on where it's a little bit bulky, which is like right here and right here, and just tweeze it just a little bit. Don't tweeze out too much because you don't want it looking bald, and make sure you're very precise. So go up close to your mirror so you can see how it's looking. Out a little bit out of this one because it's a little bit too dark right there, and then a little bit out of the front. Make sure you're focusing on where it's too dark, okay? So just like that, and you see how that made it look way more natural and soft. I'm not really focusing on the side baby hairs. You can go in and like pluck areas like here and here to make it look a little bit more natural, like right here. And this will help it look way more natural because it's just going to make the edges a little bit more soft. So that's just a tip for how to get the edges to look as natural as possible. Just go into the areas that look too thick and take out a little bit. Don't pull out too much because then it's going to start to bald. And that is the front of your face. And you can go in with some of the hairspray to make it a little bit, if you want your edges to be more like stuck down. But I like it more like this because this looks more natural. I'm gonna leave it like so. And all I did for the front, I just sprayed some of the hairspray on my finger and I put it on the lace right here. So this is basically glueless. All you would have to do is just put a little bit of water, or if you're feeling real crazy, you could just pull it off because this is on my skin, not my hairline. If you have it sprayed on your hairline, you wanna go ahead and wet it with water. So this is how this is looking. Literally a 5x5 closure, so it's right here and right here, but the back is a little bulky. Anyways, I digress. It's this Conair quick big curls machine. I'm gonna tilt my camera down so you guys can see what's in this box because I'm super excited. I hope y'all are. This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna open it like so. I did not open this yet, so I don't even know. These are the clips that's gonna hold the rollers, and this is the machine. It comes with these like little silver hook type thing, and these are the curling thing. It looks like this. So when the red dot on this roller turns transparent white, it's ready to use. The dot right here turned transparent white, so I know that it's ready. How to curl the hair says to make sure that your hair is clean and dry or damp. I'm going to dampen my hair with just my hairspray bottle. I'm not going to wet it too much, just a little damp. I'm gonna dampen both sides. I'm gonna put this behind me. There's only 2, 4, 6, 8 curl things. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I'm going to try my best to use them, all of them in my hair. Well, on the wig. So it says to take a piece of your hair. I'm gonna use the back piece because this is not that big. Let's see how it works. And I'm just going to dampen it some more and brush it out. it says take 1 and to place at the end of the hair and roll upwards firmly and secure roller with clip. I think this is too much hair, but secure the roller with the clip. Is this good? Okay, I don't know if this is good, but it's fine with me. I'm gonna do another section because it says if you want the curls to be tight, to leave it for 10 minutes. This is so exciting. I've never seen nobody do something like this before, so I'm really excited to see how this works out. My straps keep falling down, so don't even pay it no mind. Yo, if this curls my hair, I am never ever buying a curling iron ever again. This one is a little too thick, this section. And it's not hot at all. Even though it's sitting on me, it's not even hot. So I guess it's heating it up from the inside. So yeah, that is a plus. Thumbs up this video if you guys are enjoying it so far, because this is very interesting. And if I was you, I would thumbs up this video and comment down below if you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank y'all. Y'all, this is so freaking cool. This is how this side is looking. And now I'm gonna do this side. I only have 2, 4, 6 on this side. And remember, the package only came with 8 and they're actually sitting, oh ouch. They're sitting on this thing, and it recommends that you keep it closed once you're rolling up the hair, so that's going to preserve the heat on the inside. Okay, now I have my last one that I'm so excited about. I'm going to just comb it out. I wish I had more to put in the front, just because now I have this big section in the front. I want the front to be more defined than anything. Oops. This is the last one in the package as well. It is $3.55 right now. I'm gonna wait 15. The packaging says 10 minutes, but I'm gonna wait 15 minutes just because the hair is so long and it might take a little bit longer to dry. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. So at 4:10, I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Guys, it's been about like 25 minutes. No, it's been about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take them out. It worked. Wait, hold on. It worked. Wait, let me see. This is how it's looking with just me blow drying the roots. I do want to go in and just like tighten up the curl up here, but this is how it's looking with just this things. This is how the curls are looking with just that. Like I'm about to just fix up the front with my curling wand, but this is insane. This is super cool. Like, this is super cool. I did not expect this. I did not have any high expectations for this gadget, like at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair going back, and then I'm going to just curl this away from my face. This is insane. This machine is for big curls, so don't expect anything like too tight. I don't know if they have like smaller curlers, then you could do the smaller curls, but this one is jumbo, so I don't expect it to be small at all. This is so cool. I'm actually blown away by that machine. And this is my ion interchangeable curling wand, if you did not hear me before. Dang, this is crazy. I love this. And I'm just curling away from my face, just like I put on the curlers. I put it going away from my face. Okay, and I'm just going to spray it and spray this side, and then I'm going to use my finger to blend it in. And this is how, oh my gosh, this is so nice. I want some texture in this hair just so it could be a little bit like thicker. Actually, I think it's pretty fine. This is so freaking cool. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Like, look at the curls though. Like, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna curl the top area just because it's a little bit flat and I don't like it to be that flat. This is literally for all beginners that don't know how to curl their hair. This is a quick, easy fix. All you have to do is roll the hair up onto that thing and clip it. I'm gonna spray it with the Got2b Beach Trippin' spray. I'm gonna pull my head over like so. This is a texturizing spray. Y'all, look at this. This is amazing. This is actually amazing. Yo, I love this. This is super easy to use, super quick. This is not sponsored. I literally went into the store and I got this myself with my own money. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. This was super cool to make. I really enjoyed it. This wig is amazing. Look at the baby hairs. Everything is looking great. The hair is nice and curled. I sprayed it so it can hold the curl. Don't forget to check out Yolissa hair. I will have all their links in my description box because this is just amazing and you guys need to get it. And this is how it's looking. It's 24 inches and it's long and nice and pretty and silky smooth. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Tell me if you want to see more videos of me trying stuff that nobody else tried, because I ain't seen nobody else trying this, okay? And if the girls start trying it, they got it from me. All right, bye.